guys, so dito kami ngayon sa Punta de Fabian, Baras Rizal, and as you can see at my back, it's a beautiful place, and we are here because we have a training here in M1 family. Right? Nakaka-excite this kind of training kasi lahat ng andito is mga leaders, right? And even me, I'm so excited to learn. Sobrang sarap kasi, kumbaga para sa akin kasi investing in self, no? Yun yung pinaka-importante talaga kasi kung ano yung knowledge or skills na meron ka, doon ka mas kikita ng mas malaki, right? Kaya ako, it is the first time na umattend ng ganitong event, right? And ganda pa ng view, as you can see. Yan. Ganito kaganda yung view. It is overlooking, guys. So it is the Punta de Fabian.